day of our theme park road trip, and this is a travel day. Traveling today from Busch Gardens, Williamsburg down to Charlotte to go to Carowinds. And despite how it appears, we're not actually traveling by gondola. We just had a couple hours on Sunday morning to spend riding some more rides, and so we said, if we're in the middle of this, well, why not take advantage of this? So, been here for a couple hours. You got our coaster count?
5.
Okay. We got here from Pantheon, Tempesto, Apollo's Chariot, Revolton, and then Griffin. And then we're going to sky ride back to the front, get a little merch, and hit the road. So most of this video is actually going to be a road trip video, not theme park video. Unless we get to Carowinds so early that we get a sneak peek at Carowinds. We can't bet on that because we don't know what traffic's going to be like. Anyways, off to the road. Say off to the road.
Up, and away?
That's right, honey.
How was your day at Busch Gardens?
It was brief but fun.
Bye-bye, Busch Gardens. Till next time. It's very busy today.
It cooled off a little.
It did.
Good, that feels perfectly safe.
What? It's fine.
Yeah, we made it.
How you doing?
Good. I'm doing good. This looks like something. Here it is.
We crossed the state lines.
Welcome to North Carolina.
Woohoo!
Yeah, right. Okay.
Looks a lot different.
It looks the same. Only if different means the same. But here we are, still in the woods. It's almost like state lines are arbitrary. Unless you use like a natural. They didn't use
the river.
they didn't use like the Mississippi River or anything. But yeah. All right, North Carolina. Woo.
So is this Charlotte over here?
I believe so, yes.
I think we've been here to the airport.
I've been to the airport a
few times. Yeah.
And I waited over there for work once or twice. There it is, Carowinds, or there it is, Fury 325.
Yeah.
Because I got bad news for you.
I already know.
Oh yeah.
It's
Fury's
broken.
down.
You know.
But they do have the rest of the skyline.
Yeah.
So, Parkscapes? One of those is Intimidator. The other B&M Hyper.
That looks fun.
They're done.
Like every California, so tall I take over the street with high beams shining up my back.
There it is, right into the sun.
Welcome to South Carolina. You missed the sign because you focused on the coasters.
Damn it.
Can't use that.
Ooh, Area 1 fireworks. Our car mates. Carowinds SpringHill Suites. Hi. Keep your eyes on the road, not the roller coasters.
Well, just about an hour later than we were. It originally was estimated to be too early. Where they got that number from. This seems about right compared to how far. All right, here's our SpringHill Suites at Carowinds room tour. I know everyone's so excited about this. Room 316, as in 316 by.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Welcome.
Huh, I hadn't expected to see you here. All right, we'll come in, and it's a suite because it's in the name, SpringHill Suites. And so when you walk in, you have a couch and sort of a snacking foot area. a desk where I'm going to get all of my work done because I'm a professional, business professional. I'm getting there. Getting called out already. Once you pan over to the left, you see our two very generous small bottles of water, but you have like the coffee bar area, ice bucket, and if you're so inclined, refrigerator and microwave oven. Kind of rare not here, but kind of rare in places we stay at. As I said, desk area, TV. It's going to be probably a tilty TV for the living room. I think you can tilt it over to, in this case, we have 2 queen-size beds.
I get a trundle bed too, if you wanted.
Oh yeah, we could just roll that thing out. Sure, why not? We can do that, sure. Anyway, so yeah, 2 queen beds and a split bathroom, which is nice. So, Vanna wants you to see the well-appointed storage. And a cruise style, as Val put, a cruise style bathroom where you have the actual toilet and sink separate from the other part. This apparently goes to Narnia.
Closet.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. Other bathroom, sliding door. Hey me. Hey me again. And the world famous bathtub shower combination. And then, because we're on this side of the building, how about a park view? How about I actually zoom in so maybe you can see it? We're slowly zooming. All right, that would appear to be Intimidator. In the background, it looks like I can see Afterburn, which is a B&M inverted. And then if I pan over here, you'll see sort of part of Focus, Fury 325, which, sad trombone, is down for major repair. As in, a support cracked. Anyways, I'll worry about that tomorrow. And, excellent, yes, little place for space over here. My friend Fritz's book, you should buy it. And then we have plugs and USB ports, reading lights. And yeah, this is a relatively, I would say, relatively new hotel, so it's got that stuff you want to plug stuff into feeling. And it looks like it's going to be quite good for us and our 2 companions that will be joining us overnight. And with that, we're going to go probably find something else to do for the remainder of our travel day. It's 8 o'clock, and there's not much left in a travel day, but we did make it all the way from Virginia to
North Carolina?
Yeah, and South Carolina, because we're on the border.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Now, I know we did the room tour and say we made it, but now we really made it, because now we made it to, here's the reward for your long drive cocktail hour. So, yeah, there's a nice little bar here at the SpringHill Suites, and then what you can't see behind us is a fire pit, and then out there is a pool. So,
And then out there
is roller coasters. So, yeah, I know location is everything, but also just the place is really nice too. So far, thumbs up.